out by the quarry cut. The desert lets go. I turn a corner and there it is, water where the dust should go. A wide green basin breathing, quiet as a held note. 31 acres shining, sky folded into blue. I hear my boots on gravel, then the whole world slows into Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Water in the desert, sun, grass where the hard rock used to be. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Everything softens here, everything comes back to me. Ducks cut lines across the lake, geese drift slow and low. The surface stays like glass most days, only ripples show. Photographers lean into the light for that perfect mirrored frame. Runners slip through the loop trail, dog walkers fade by. The birds keep moving shoreline to shoreline like they know the reason why. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Water in the desert, sun, grass where the hard rock used to be. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Everything softens here, everything comes back to me. Picnic tables under Ramada's, kids chasing birds by the reeds. Volleyball dust to basketball bounce, fitness posts and laughing families. Never loud, just living, spread out wide enough to rest. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Water in the desert, sun, grass where the hard rock used to be. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Everything softens here, everything comes back to me. This land was once all broken stone, work scars under the heat. Now Martian lawn and open sky, moving over the scene. What was taken gets rewritten, what was rough turns kind. The train cuts fast through the north side, westbound stealing sound. Then it slips out past the fence line and the silence settles down. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Water in the desert, sun, grass where the hard rock used to be. Cornerstone Park, hold still. Cornerstone Park, let me breathe. Henderson, let's go here, and the whole world falls behind.